It is a special paper mix through the cold composite process to form a plate. It is divided into bottom plate, enclosure, support frame, and so on. There are corresponding numbers between the bottom plate and the enclosure helps to clarify the related order. In the spacious area, we spread bottom plate and have a hot glue gun ready for product assembly. Use a hot glue gun to bond each joint of the product in turn. Press and cool for a few seconds to strengthen the bonding effect. When installing the product enclosure, we need to according to the number label of the product, corresponding to the related position of the bottom plate. Then use the glue gun to glue. All enclosure operations are like this. Special attention should be paid to the adhesion of the edges and corners between each enclosure plate. Press for a few more seconds after the glue gun is used, waiting for its cooling and solidification to prevent collapse. The independent support frame is used to support the whole number frame to prevent falling. There are buckle positions on both the support bottom plate and the support frame, which need to be uncovered, and then fix them. And with a glue gun, reinforcement effect is better. Now take a look at the assembled appearance. In different scenarios, it can be used in different ways. It can be used decoration with balloons, flowers, cellophane, and so on, which can be used in all kinds of celebration occasions. For example, parties, anniversaries, photo backgrounds, etc.